If you're experiencing bald edges or your hairline is receding, this particular remedy is for you. Don't scroll. Watch this video to the end, and you're going to use cloves for this. So if you know that your edges or your edge line is like this and you want to transform it to this, ensure that you watch this video to the end, because this could actually be your saving grace. Clove is a powerful remedy for hair growth. You people have been sleeping on it, and it's very easy to actually get. You can get it from stores or shops selling herbs and spices. For those of you that like doing zobo, you can get your cloves from where they sell zobo herbs, right? Moving on, cloves actually have eugenol, which is responsible for healthy hair growth and healthy scalp, and it also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that will help to strengthen your hair and also ensure that your scalp is healthy. So ensure that you get yourself cloves. It is readily available. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So you get a clean bowl like this. Ensure that you get your cloves. So we're going to measure 1 spoon of cloves, and you just put it in your bowl, and voila, you're good to go. The next step is actually to boil your water and pour it in your herbs, right? So this is what we're working with. As you can see, this is how our cloves is actually looking like. After 24 hours of maceration, you will see the difference. So this is a cup I'll be using to make my measurement, right? So we'll be measuring 2 cups of water. You can use any cup of your choice, but this is particular one I'm using for this particular mixture. So you just turn it into your kettle till you have like 2 cups of water. It also depends on the quantity of cloves you're using. You can just try to calculate the ratio. So once you're done measuring your water, you just cover this up and put it on your fire and leave it till it starts boiling. Ensure that you monitor closely. Once it starts boiling like this, as you can see in this clip, then you are good to go. Switch it off and turn it immediately into your bowl that is already containing your herbs, as you can see me do. So this is the easy process. There is no long cut to this. This is just the overall process. You measure your herbs, you put it in a bowl, and you measure your water, put it on fire, and you turn it into your bowl. So this is what we're having. We're going to leave this for good 24 hours, not less than 24 hours for maceration process. So this is it. You cover it up. Ensure that you're using a container that has lid so that you can cover this up till when it is ready for use. And you will see in the next clip, after 24 hours, you can see that the color has turned darker. This is what we're going to work with to ensure that our hair grows from the way it was previously to what we actually want. So after 24 hours, this is it. You can see that it has washed off its nutrients. Everything is now macerated, and we can strain this and put it in our spray bottle. So I want to show you how the bulbs of the clove look like after maceration. As you can see, this is what we are working with. The color has changed from being dark to being light brown. So with this, you are sure that your product has actually macerated well. So I'll be making like a comparative analysis between the dried cloves that we used earlier and the one we have currently, for you to be sure that I actually macerated this for a while. So moving on, this is what we have handy. You will get a strainer like this so that you can strain your mixture, and with this particular strainer, it will trap any form of debris or whatnot that is in this mixture, because we need everything to come out clean. You're applying this directly on your scalp, you need it to be clean and safe for use. So this is what we're having. You have a clearer view of the residue and also the filtrate. So yeah, this is it. As you can see, the color has actually changed. So in the next clip, you'll be seeing the dried cloves we used earlier and the one we currently have. So as you can see, the dried one is actually black, and the one that we have macerated is brown, and it is more swollen. So this is actually like the difference, as you can see in this clip. So you get your spray bottle. Ensure that you get a very good and clean spray bottle. You will just pour in your filtrate into your spray bottle. Ensure that the spray bottle you are using is not clogged for easy application. So this is what we are working with. Our cloves water is ready for use. You can actually use it right away. Don't need to waste time at all. You can just use this straight up. So this is it. This is exactly what you will use as your bald edges remedy, your receding hairline remedy. It is suitable for both men and women. Ensure that you do this and use it 3 to 5 times weekly, and don't forget to moisturize after each use. You need to be consistent with it because consistency comes results. So in this next clip, I'll be showing you how to apply it. Shake well before application, apply on affected areas, and ensure that your scalp is fully immersed in this product. You need to also press in the product and massage as you go. So in this clip, you see me massaging it. So that's how you would do it over time. So ensure that you massage like this in a circular motion for like 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes as you deem fit. So subscribe.